Hi guys, Orozco's Auto Services tip of the day is dealing with the price or cost. When you are dealing with an auto repair shop who can repair your vehicle and warranty the repairs done at the price of $500, and then you find someone else who can do it for $50 less, at that point, the cost will be based on the decisions you make. However, if they don't fix it right, or they don't honor your warranty, or you lose a day or two of work, all those things can add up to the cost. That's what I see in our industry on a daily basis. Make sure you're dealing with someone who you can trust. For more information, go to orozcosalservice.com.